Once upon a time, in the heart of the lush, vibrant Jungleland, lived a curious young elephant named Ellie. Ellie was not your ordinary elephant. With her bright blue eyes and an ever-curious trunk, she had a knack for finding adventures in the most unexpected places. Ellie lived in a cozy jungle home made of large leaves and bamboo. One sunny morning, Ellie woke up to the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves. Today felt special, and Ellie decided it was the perfect day for an adventure. Ellie set off on a well-trodden path leading to the heart of the jungle. As she walked, she sang a happy tune. The sunbeams danced through the canopy, making the jungle sparkle like a giant emerald. Ellie came across a gigantic banana tree with bananas as big as her trunk. Her eyes widened with excitement. She was about to grab a banana when suddenly, a mischievous monkey swung down and snatched it away. Feeling a bit disappointed, Ellie continued her journey until she reached a sparkling stream that seemed to be giggling. As she looked closer, she saw tiny fish jumping out of the water and splashing each other. Ellie wandered into a meadow full of giant toadstools that bounced like trampolines. She couldn't resist the temptation and started bouncing on them, having the time of her life as the toadstools bobbed up and down. Ellie's next stop was a field of enchanted flowers that changed colors when she touched them. She made a game of touching different flowers and watching them shift through a rainbow of colors. As evening approached, Ellie noticed fireflies gathering around her, their lights flickering like tiny stars. The fireflies offered to light her way as she ventured deeper into the jungle. Ellie stumbled upon a hidden waterfall with crystal clear water cascading into a serene pool. She waded in, enjoying the coolness and the soothing sounds of the waterfall. Ellie encountered a group of friendly turtles who invited her to play. They showed her how to play a jungle version of hide and seek. Ellie laughed as the turtles hid under large leaves and behind rocks. As the sun began to set, Ellie found herself back home. She sat with her jungle friends, sharing the stories of her day's adventure. The sky turned a brilliant orange and pink as they all celebrated with a big, happy feast. Thanks for watching the video.